Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the Y classes. Today in this session, we'll solve this problem for the value of m, and here it is 2 powered by m minus 1, that is equal to 3 powered by m plus 1. So in this problem, you can look at, we have to find the value of m, and here m is given in power. So in both the cases, m is in power, so we'll have to collect the value of m. So we use logarithm. First we'll take log on both sides, then we'll solve this problem. So in the left hand side, we'll take log 2, and its power is m minus 1. In the right hand side, it is, we'll take log again in the right hand side, and here it is 3 powered by m plus 1. So in both the sides, we have taken log for solution of this problem. Now for further solutions, we'll recall the identities of log. Now log a base a with power m, we write m in front of this. Look at here, we write this as an identity m log a. So according to this identity, we'll take this power, means m minus 1 in front of this. So we'll write m minus 1 multiplied by this log 2. So it is log 2. Now in the right hand side, we'll take m plus 1 because the power is m plus 1. So we'll write m plus 1 and multiplied by log 3. So now we'll multiply by log 2 with this product value. So we can write it as m log 2 minus, here it is minus, so minus log 2, right? Now in the right hand side, we'll multiply by log 3. So it will be m log 3 plus log 3. Right, now for further solutions, we'll take this log value, means m product value, in left hand side. So we'll take this m log 3 in the left hand side. So it will be m, here it is log 2, here it is m log 2, and this value will be negative m log 3. And in the right hand side, we'll write the remaining value, means log 3, here it is log 3, and this negative value will be positive value in the right hand side. So it is plus log 2, right? Now we'll simplify this. From these two, we can take m common. So we'll take common m, and the remaining here is log 2 minus log 3. And in the right hand side, it is log 3 plus log 2. So it is log 3 plus log 2. Now for calculating the value of m, we'll divide both sides by log 2 minus log 3. Log 2 minus log 3. So in the right hand side also, we'll divide by log 2 minus log 3. Left hand side, the numerator and denominator will be cancelled. So we have calculated the value of m here. So the value of m is log 3 plus log 2. Log 2 minus log 3. Log 2 minus log 3. And we know the value of log 2. The value of log 2 is 0.301, and here the another value is log 3, and the value of log 3 is 0.4771. It is the value of log 3. Now we'll put the value of log 2 and log 3 in these expressions. Then the value of m will be, so the value of log 3 here is 0.4771 plus the value of log 2 is 0.301. Now in the denominator, we have value of log 2 here. The value of log 2 here is 0.301 minus the value of log 3 here is 0.447. This is the value of m. Now if we calculate this value, then the value will be 0.7781, and in the denominator we'll have, now if you look at in the denominator, the value of negative is more than the positive value, so the value of this will be in negative, so it is negative 0.1761. Now if we'll divide these terms, then we'll have negative 4.418. So this is the value of m. So here we have calculated the value of m, that is equal to negative 4.418. This is the answer of this problem. So friend, hope this video was very useful for you. Thank you for watching the video.